Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens Co here, and today I'm going to show you how to install a mulch kit onto your Icon XD 52-inch zero-turn mower. And though this install is specifically for an Icon XD 52-inch model, all Ariens mulch kit installations are very similar to one another, so follow along anyways, even if this isn't your particular mower model. And as always, before we start, we're going to refresh our memory on safety when handling blades and installing kits by paging through the safety section in your operator's manual. Installing this kit requires you to work under the deck. You can either raise the front of the mower, or if you don't have a suitable lift, you can remove the deck. Remove the hardware retaining the discharge chute bracket to the deck, and remove the chute. Keep these parts because the chute will need to be reinstalled if the mulch kit is ever removed. Remove the mower blades. Always use extra care when handling the mower blades, and remember, movement of one of the blades will rotate the other blades. Remove the tapping screws in the top of the deck. On the Icon XD 52-inch model, there are a total of 8 tapping screws that need to be removed. These are all toward the front of the deck and are easily accessible. Install the left baffle and secure it to the top of the deck with 2 nuts supplied in the kit. Install the remaining baffles and secure each with the nuts supplied in the kit. Install the mulch blades so their air lifts, the little flares on each end of the blade, are positioned upward and secure with the original blade hardware. Ensure the washers are installed with the cup side facing up and tighten the nut to the torque specification listed in the instruction sheet. When tightening the hardware, you'll need to block the movement of the blade with a wood block or similar tool. Install the remaining blades, and again, be mindful of the position of the blades, their washers, and blade rotation when torquing the blade hardware. After you double check that all hardware is tight, place your unit back into the operating position. Now that's all for today, but if you want to install a mulch kit on your own Ariens zero-turn mower, you can find one online at parts.ariens.com. But if you'd rather leave this one to the professionals, you can source a mulch kit through your local Ariens dealer at ariens.com/dealers. If you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.